Hey guys, it's Miss S. I wanted to go over the assignment with you guys real quick. I'm sorry I'm not there again today. Hopefully we'll resume like normal tomorrow and we will cook tomorrow if I am there. We are going to finish up the water unit today. This is what your worksheet looks like that you picked up on your way in. What you guys are going to do is you're going to go to this website right here. It is watercalculator.org. When you go to that website, it is going to show you this right here. You should see these tabs at the top. If you guys are using your iPad, the tabs may be in a different location, so just kind of look around for those. But basically what you guys are going to do is you're going to start and make sure you do the questions in order because they kind of build off of each other. But you're going to start with question 1. All of the information you need can be found on this website. And literally, like, here's the answer to question 1 right here. We are not trying to trick you with this or make you hunt for a lot of the answers in weird locations. So when you are doing that, just have a little bit of common sense and you will have to actually read the website. When you are scrolling through the tabs, in some of your questions, I give you very specific things that I want you to do, so be careful with that. Towards the very end of your worksheet, you are going to need to use this calculator right here. This calculator, it will be your personal information as far as like how much water you use, the number of people in your households, if you have a lawn that you have to water, or how long you take a shower for. It's just going to ask you a bunch of different questions about how much water you use and the ways that you use that water. So make sure you do that all the way through. At the very, very end, it's going to ask you for like your email and stuff. You do not have to put that in order to see your results. You'll just have to kind of scroll to the bottom of the screen where you see the water kind of flowing like this after you get done with it. So keep that in mind. That will be part of something that you are going to have to do. Whenever I ask you to look for a chart on here, it will be in the footprint section. So keep that in mind as well. I think that's like question 19. You'll have to scroll down a little bit and you're going to be looking at this section right here, the National Water Footprints. Other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. Y'all behave for Miss Gilbert. Hopefully, like I said, I'll be back tomorrow. Thank y'all for being good yesterday. Kevin and Dalen, I'm going to talk to you two little punks when I get back. Y'all are in trouble. Other than that, I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.